Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I visited the Mehrano Wildlife Sanctuary for a bird photography. In this video, I will be sharing my experience including the bird species I was able to photograph during this trip. Mehrano Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the district of Khairpur Miras in Sindh, Pakistan. It's an old forest established in 1790 by His Highness Mir Ali Murad Khan Talpur. The sanctuary covers a variety of habitats including forests, agricultural land, lakes and desert areas. It's a hunting-free zone offering a safe haven for diverse species. This video focuses exclusively on my photography experience as I plan to create a detailed documentary about Mehrano Sanctuary in the future. We started our journey early in the morning, leaving at around 5:30 am. At 6 am as we entered the forest, my cousin Hussein Talpur mentioned it was the ideal time to spot a hog deer. He was right, we saw a female hog deer in the distance, but it quickly ran away upon noticing the car's headlights. For duck photography, there are two blinds constructed specifically for bird watching. However, there's another location where you can capture stunning eye-level shots of ducks, which I find the most captivating. By 6:30 am, we reached this spot. The migration season had just begun, and we were lucky to witness amazing sightings at lakes like Jiskani, Mehrano, and Khandir. Khandir is also part of the wildlife sanctuary of Mehrano. I wore a leaf pattern camouflage suit and settled down near the water. Around 7 or 7:30 am, a flock of gadwalls and teals landed nearby, and after patiently waiting, I managed to get some good shots. Unfortunately, many other flocks didn't land close to me, possibly because I wasn't fully concealed. Using a blind or better camouflage would have helped. Later we visited the second and third blind, which are now fully constructed. While exploring these spots, we mostly observed showlers, teals and gadwalls.
यहाँ पे हम मेहरानो आए हुए थे तो सेकंड ब्लाइंड में आए तो कुछ खास नहीं मिला। अब चलते हैं थर्ड पे।
However, I would like to mention a special highlight from just a few days ago. We spotted mallards and even an osprey, both of which are incredible to see. Although they were present during this trip as well, the sighting made this migration season all the more exciting. So guys, this is just a beginning. I will be sharing many more tours of Mehrano Sanctuary on this channel in the upcoming months. Stay tuned and pray for more ducks to visit Mehrano so I can show you all their beauty. One bird I'm particularly eager to photograph is the red-crested pochard. Capturing an eye-level shot of this magnificent bird has always been a dream of mine. Until then, take care and goodbye.